Hi, welcome to my channel, Second PUC Accountancy, Learn, Understand and Excel. Today, we are going to see yet another sum under guarantee of profit to a new partner under Chapter 1, Partnership Accounts Basic Concepts with a different adjustment. Now, let's move on to the question. Charan and Sharan shares profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Sachin into their firm to 1/6 share of profit. Charan personally guaranteed that Sachin's share of profit after charging the interest on capital at 10% per annum would not be less than rupees 15,000 in any year. The capital provided by Charan rupees 1,25,000, Sharan rupees 1 lakh and Sachin rupees 75,000. The profit for the year ending March 31st, 2024 amounted to rupees 75,000 before providing interest on capital. Show the profit and loss appropriation account if the new profit sharing ratio in 3:2:1. So therefore here in this particular question they have given that the profit of the firm is given before adjusting the interest on capital. So therefore first we have to calculate interest on capital, then deduct it from the profit. That is, we have to make an adjustment with the profit. The remaining profit should be distributed to the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. So first let's see what is the interest on capital. So for Charan, the interest on capital will be capital amount 1,25,000 into the interest rate 10%, 10 by 100, which will be 12,500. And for Sharan, Sharan's capital is 1 lakh into 10 by 100 will be rupees 10,000 interest on capital. And for Sachin, rupees 75,000 is the capital into 10 by 100, which will be 7,500 interest on capital. So therefore, the total interest on capital is rupees 30,000. So out of the profit which is given to us as 75,000, we have to deduct the interest on capital. We have to adjust this interest on capital to the profit given to us. So let's find out what is the remaining profit after adjusting interest on capital, which will be distributed to the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. So calculate the profit to be distributed. So the profit for the year amounted to is rupees 75,000, which is given in the question. And then adjust the interest on capital. So deduct total interest on capital 30,000. Therefore, the remaining profit which can be distributed to the partners in the profit sharing ratio will be rupees 45,000. So this is the profit which is available now to be distributed to the partners. Now let's distribute this 45,000 profit to the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. So distribute profit in new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is given in the question, that is 3:2:1, which can also be written as 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. Now distribute the profit for all the three partners. Charan, the total profit is 45,000 now into 3/6. So Charan will get 22,500. For Sharan, rupees 45,000 into 2/6 will be 15,000 rupees, and for Sachin, the new partner, rupees 45,000 into 1/6 will be 7,500. Now when we compare the new partner's profit, he is getting only 7,500, but Charan has personally guaranteed to Sachin that he will receive rupees 15,000 as the profit in the firm. So therefore, there is a deficiency of profit for the new partner Sachin. So how much is the deficiency here, which has to be adjusted by Charan? So minimum profit guaranteed to Sachin is rupees 15,000. Deduct Sachin's share in profit as per the ratio, that is 7,500. Here the deficiency to be borne by Charan will be rupees 7,500. Now let's see the profit and loss appropriation account. Open the profit and loss appropriation account. First, let's break down the profit that is given in the question before adjusting the interest on capital. That is on the credit side by profit and loss account, it is 75,000. So out of the 75,000, we have to now provide interest on capital. That is on the debit side to interest on capital. First, for Charan, we had already calculated 1,25,000 into 10% will be 12,500, and for Sharan, 1 lakh into 10 by 100 will be 10,000, and for Sachin, 75,000 into 10 by 100 will be 7,500. So the total of interest on capital is 30,000. Now, after deducting 30,000 interest on capital from the profit, we had a remaining profit which should be distributed to the partners. So, to profit transfer to Charan, the remaining profit was 45,000. So, Charan, 45,000 into 3 by 6, he will get profit of 22,500. But here, Charan had personally guaranteed the shortage amount to Sachin. So the shortage amount should be deducted from his share of profit less deficiency, that is 7,500, which he has to pay for Sachin's guaranteed profit. So after deduction, Charan will get the profit of rupees 15,000. Now next is Sharan. Sharan has not guaranteed any amount, so his profit will remain the same, 45,000 into 2 by 6, that is again 15,000. Now moving on to the new partner Sachin. Sachin's profit is 45,000 into 1 by 6. He gets 7,500. Since it is a shortage, he will receive the deficiency amount from Charan. So we have to add the deficiency from Charan, that is 7,500. So he will get his guaranteed profit of rupees 15,000. So this is the adjustments which are made in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now find the total of profit and loss appropriation account. It is 75,000 on the debit side and credit side. So both the sides you get the same total. Hope it is clear, students. We will look into another sum in the next video. Thank you.